Hello and welcome to week 4, I believe it is. This is just going to be a very short video. I just want to let you know, as we talked about before, the application has been rebuilt and I am working on rebuilding and I've got all the base done. I'm working on the database, so it's not going to be very much. As you can see, the About page here, coffee, equipment, and all my back-end data is here. And like I said before, this is a quick rebuild. You can see all the solutions. This isn't really a setback, and it's not really much of a delay. I built this into just in case this would happen. So I am prepared. I am where I want to be with this, and yeah, that's about it. Like I said, this is just a short and sweet one. Next week we will have probably the initial tables for the database, database design, at least one page in the full rough draft. So we'll keep plugging along, and I will talk to you this week. Thank you.